The Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswas Sharma, on Sunday visited Meghalaya ahead of the forthcoming elections 2023. During his visit, Sharma said that the people of Meghalaya have the right to ask why the government could not build a medical college in Meghalaya despite the central government issuing money to build 2 medical colleges, he said. Sharma had come to address an election meeting at Keating Road in Shillong on Sunday. He said that the centre not only gave money to build a medical college but also released money for various projects. Regarding the allegations of vandalizing churches in Assam, he said that this was a completely fake letter. He also met the BJP candidate of Nongpo constituency, Marian Maring, on his way to Shillong for the official meeting of the BJP party for election purposes.
मैं किसी का ऊपर व्यक्तिगत टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से मेघालय सरकार को काफ़ी पैसा मिला है कि मेडिकल कॉलेज बनाओ, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज बनाओ, यूनिवर्सिटी बनाओ, लेकिन ये सब नहीं बन रहा है। तो मेघालय का युवा आज अस्थिर है कि भाई पैसा कहाँ गया, तो जवाब सरकार को देना चाहिए।
Tragedy struck